All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to crop into squares 3 different ways. So here's the first one, the crop tool. Makes sense, right? Okay, so just on this little flyout, there is multiple versions, so just get the regular crop tool. And then you'll see that when you do select that, these little nodes pop up. You can drag it around, right? Um, but it's not a square. So I'm going to hit Command period on that, and I'm just going to draw my own. See, I'm out here with the crop tool, so I can just click and drag. And to make it a perfect square, see how it's not? You want it to be, see, we have 700 pixels, 701, 701, 793. So there, it's a square. So I'm holding Shift. That's what makes it a square. And then you can move it around inside. But yeah, now that I've got it, it's a square. I'm going to hit return, and we're good. Second version, I'm just going to use the regular marquee tool. This is better for really accurate stuff. If you don't, if you really just want to get in between a couple pixels, you can do this with a high zoom. But also holding Shift, that's the key. So I'm making a square. I'm not doing this. Holding holding Shift, and now I can move the actual selection. It's kind of the opposite of the crop tool. So I can move the selection around, get it where I want it. Now I go up to Image, and then just down to Crop. And the third, final one for this video is the canvas. So we can go up here, Image, and just the canvas size. The canvas size is what's out here, not the whole image size, but just this, so you can chop it essentially. So I've got 2000, I've got 2500 high, so obviously now we've got a square. This is going to pop up after like 20 years. I finally shut this off. But yeah, so it's going to trim. It's going to trim this off. One super cool thing that I want to show you is when you have the if there was, if this cropped the image. Oh, if you cropped the image here, um, and you hit crop, it can cut that top of that shirt off. So what you want to do in that one, if you want to make sure that you can crop stuff, but then leave what leaves there so it's hanging over the edge. This delete cropped pixels. Either check that or uncheck it. But if you want them cropped or you don't, so it'll leave. You can crop it and leave the image there. So that's how you do that. This is a key. So those are 3 ways to crop your photos into squares. Hopefully that helped. If it did, let me know in the comments. Hit like. Thanks.